Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for tuning in. So today I'm bringing you mathematics, and it's about logarithm. I have an equation here, a logarithmic equation, and I want to solve it. So if you can see it clearly, it is log 2 base 3 plus 2 log x base 3 is equals to log 7x minus 3 base 3. So I'm supposed to solve this and get the value of x, or I'm supposed to solve this logarithmic equation. So I'll begin by, if you can remember the laws of logarithm, we have log base a x to power n. You can remember this rule is equals to, you bring this power here, n, before the log. So it's n log base a x. If you can remember this rule of logarithm, or this law of logarithm, this 2 log x base 3 is the same as this log here, n log base ax. It is the same, and it's also the same as log a x n. So I'm going to write this log in this form. So let me begin. It will be log 3 log base 3 2 plus, I'm writing this 2 here, this 2 log x base 3 in this form. It will be log x to power 2 base 3 is equals to log base 3 into bracket 7x minus 3. So you can see I've applied this law of logarithm here for this log. So our bases are the same. I have log base 3, log base 3, log base 3 on this other side. So my bases are the same. And whenever you have the same bases and we have this addition sign here, you can multiply the logs. So I'm going to multiply these logs here, and it will be log base 3 2. I am multiplying log 2 and log x to power 2. So it will give me 2x power 2 is equals to log base 3 into bracket 7x minus 3. My logs are the same. The logs have the same bases, log base 3, log base 3 on the other side. So kindly do not cancel the logs, but drop them. So I'm going to drop the logs because they are the same. It will be 2x squared is equals to 7x minus 3. So I can form a quadratic expression, or I can form with this a quadratic equation. So I'll bring 2x squared minus 7x, this 7, plus 3 is equals to 0. This negative 3 has gone to the other side and it's now a positive. So this is a quadratic equation, and I can use sum and product. So I'm going to multiply this, the coefficient of x squared with c. This is my coefficient of x squared and this is my c, to get the product. So this 2 times 3 gives me 6, and my sum will be negative 7. I'm going to look for two numbers. When I multiply them, I'm getting 6. When I add them up, I'm getting negative 7. And these numbers are negative 6 and negative 1. So the next step will be, I'm going to substitute these numbers here. Negative 6x minus 1x plus 3 is equals to 0. I can group them in these terms. So I'm going to factor out the common factor. So for my case, my common factor here is 2x into bracket x minus 3, and my common factor here, I'm going to factor out negative 1, which gives me x minus 3 is equals to 0. So I'm going to pick the one that are outside, 2x minus 1 into bracket I'm going to, because they are the same, I'll pick one. X minus 3 gives me 0. 2x minus 1, this one here, is equals to 0. I want to now get the value of x. 2x is equals to 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 will cancel, and I'll remain with x is equals to a half. Or the other one, x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to a half. So I have solved it. Solution here, x is equals to a half, or x is equals to 3. So these are my answers right here. I have solved this logarithmic equation and I deserve a mark. So kindly practice, and remember to subscribe, remember to like and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.